YouTube automation is one of the most trending topics out there because it is one of the easiest way to generate money online. But the question is what YouTube automation actually is and how you can set it up and set it up correctly, because most of the people out there are using YouTube automation completely wrong. Now, before we move forward, I would like to tell you that Be10x has an exclusive AI tool workshop. Do check it out after this video. See, YouTube automation doesn't mean that you can make videos just by pressing random buttons. It's just not like that, and it's not that easy. YouTube automation is basically 70% of the work done by AI and 30% by you. Now, to make this video simpler for you, I have divided this video in steps. And let's begin the video.
9 rupees. 9 rupees cannot even buy you a packet of chips. But what if I tell you 9 rupees can save your job? What if I tell you 9 rupees can get you salary hike? What if I tell you 9 rupees can build your career in better way? Sounds too good to be true, right?
Step number 1, finding a good niche. There are a lot of niches out there, just like entertainment, education, finance, and fashion, and top 10 and many more niches out there. But to choose a perfect one, you need to keep two things in mind. A niche with high CPM, cost per mile, which is the amount given by the advertisers to you to showcasing their products or their services on your YouTube video. And the second is revenue per mile, which is how much you are getting out of those cost per mile. And you want to select a niche with high CPM. For now, I'll recommend you to go with a finance niche or education niche, or even you can go with top 10 niches. The CPM of top 10 niche is not high, but it's easier to make YouTube videos on top 10 topics with the help of AI. Now you have a niche, it's time for the second part, which is getting an idea. Either use vidIQ for that or even Google Trends. Just need to go there and type top 10 scariest things, or you can use YouTube popular section to find out what's trending right now. And you can make a video on that topic. Believe me, it's very easy to go viral. Just grab onto something trending and you'll easily go viral. Now you have a good niche, you have a good content. It's time for the most important part, deciding the title and thumbnail. See, you can put hundreds of efforts making a video. Your video won't blow up until and unless your title and thumbnail is catchy. For creating a good thumbnail, you can either hire someone from Upwork, Fiverr, or freelancer.com, or you can easily go to Canva and make it by yourself. And even if you want some inspiration, you can always go to YouTube and check out. There are thousands of videos out there. You can check it out. Now you have a good thumbnail, you have a good title, you have a good niche, and you have a good content. Until now, everything is done by yourself. Now you need to sit back for a little. But listen to this first. See, AI is taking over the world. In such a short span of time, we have seen so many layoffs, millions of jobs being replaced by AI and whatnot. And you don't want to get affected by this recessive wave, right? Well, AI won't replace you. The people using AI will. Now, if you want to save your job and become irreplaceable in your career, join our 3 hours of AI tool workshop, in which we'll teach you about the best AI tools to upskill, increase your productivity, and enhance your career. Make your future secure with us. Join our workshop by clicking the link in the description. It's time for a script generator. Now, generating a script doesn't mean you have to go to ChatGPT and write your title and please generate me a script like that. No. I have always said in my videos that AI does not have a brain of its own. You have to use your brain in creativity, which means you need to go to ChatGPT and write, generate me a YouTube script for top 10 scariest places in India. And in the end, don't forget to write the expression you want that video to be in, or the way you want that video to be in. For me, I'm gonna write in a scary manner. I want this video to be a bit suspenseful, a bit scary. Now it's time to hire a voice actor. Again, you can go to Upwork, Fiverr, to find a good voice actor, and if you're a startup and you don't have money for that, you can easily take help from AI. For today, we are going to go to Clipchamp. It can convert your text to voice, and you can always choose actors if you want. For me, I'm gonna go with Guy. Now you have every single thing ready. It's time for another crucial part, which cannot be done by AI, which is editing. See, to get a good edited video, you need a good editing software, which is why I would recommend you to go with CapCut, DaVinci's Resolve, or even Filmora. These 3 are free, you can always check it out. For me, I'm gonna go to Premiere Pro. You just have to put your voice over in your timeline, and then you need stock videos. You can always use websites like Pixabay, Pixels. They give free stock videos, you can always use them. It's a very useful asset if you want to be a good editor. Now, you have every single thing done. You just need to upload the video, and believe me, your video is gonna go viral. Wrong. This is absolutely wrong. It is next to impossible for your first video to go viral. It will take time, you need to be consistent, you need to trust the process, and one day, you are gonna go viral. You need to keep uploading good quality content. See, you have unlimited content out there, and you should provide a good value with it. Or you can even make something relatable. And if you can make something relatable in your content, the chances of those videos to get viral is very high. so you can use something relatable in your videos. Now, the second thing you should keep in mind is don't make your videos longer than 5 minutes, because people's attention span is very low due to short form content. And if you make videos of 10 to 20 minutes, you're gonna be messed up because people get bored really easily. And it is very hard for an editor to maintain the flow in long videos. So you should try to make your videos shorter, but not shorter than 5 minutes, or YouTube won't recommend your videos, but keep it shorter, not longer. Now, if you're just starting out, it will take time, believe me. It will take time to increase your efficiency. It will take time to edit good videos, but trust the process and just be consistent. That's all. Alright, so don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and comment if you got any queries. And also don't forget to check out our AI tool workshop. It is very cheap. It's a pond full of knowledge. You just have to dive in it, and it is actually cheap. We'll see you until next time. Thank you.